like say me I look nobody in the gym, but you know you want to look cute. Big up on yourself, my YouTube fitness family, y'all. It is your Chantel, and you know, with the time I get cold and stuff, I said I wanted some new workout clothes. Jackets like this one, zip up, you quick, you throw it on and zip up, y'all. I had this jacket from Wappy Kill Phillip, so a long time ago, and I was like, you know what, I need more. I have them in 3 colors, the black, the pink, and like one purplish looking one, and I was like, I want more because they're so convenient, easy for put on. But your girl is on a budget for 2025 semester. Okay, let's see what all I can find on Shein. And it came in my Shein package. It came in, so I was like, let me open it with you know. So let's see, y'all, all that I got on Shein for less than $100. And it was also, it's not just jackets. I did also get some pants too. It took about a week to come in. Usually that's what it usually takes me with Shein, about a week. I wanted some cute hoodie because I was tired of looking like, and I like to me I look nobody in the gym, but you know you want to look cute. So I got this one. I'll post it on the screen. You can see. I mean, it seems thick. It seems nice. It seems like really thick. So I got it in this burgundy color, which by the way, it's like one of my favorite colors. And then I also got it in this beige color too. So cute. All right, one next. I didn't get this top, but y'all, look how dirty it is. Shein, do better. It look like say somebody probably wear it and return it. Like, ew, come on, man, come on, you know better than that. So definitely gonna either return this or try to get my money back for it. Oh, I got this hat because I don't know, me and my cardio day, my love for wear hats, and I don't have none that's like neutral. My hat them for some reason have pink on it, or I have this one bright all orange hat for represent the UF Gators. So I got this because you know it can be blending, it will go with anything. So I got that. Then what this? Oh my gosh, y'all, this leggings. Oh, I got it because of the color. As I said, one of my favorite colors. It feels really nice. It feels stretchy. I got it in a size small. It feels really nice and stretchy. We'll see how it fits. And then, oh, one of them here. One of the zip up. Yeah, one of the zip up. I don't remember what. It's thin though. It's thin. I'm gonna be freezing. Boy, yeah, it's thin. This can't cover your gonna wear. But I mean, it's still cute. I guess with it being thin, when you're in the gym, you're not gonna get too hot. So I guess like walking in the gym, but still I forgot to have on my jacket. And then jackets over this, and then you know, so it's not bad. All right, another zip up. I love the color on this. Another zip up. Oh, this look like it's fit good. This thin, so can see through it. Can see through this. All right. Not bad. And I will be posting, I mean, you all should already be seeing me post the price of each of these. I want to say each of the top was under $10 or under $5, and each of the bottom was under $10. So a bargain. Oh, same thing, just in a different color. If you can tell, I like dark colors. I gravitate more towards dark colors. Thin as the other one, but still cute, right? Like you know, y'all work out and you gonna look pop down when y'all work out because you know, so we work out hard. And I'm saying if you're cute after you work out, you never work out hard enough. And we always pop down after we work out because we work out hard. But I mean, even though you look pop down, you can still dress cute, right? And it wasn't that bad. I mean, under $100, and it's enough items. This is enough items for under $100. It's not bad. Another top. Boy, them it look like a uniform. This people goes to me in the gym like, dang, she in her uniform today, just a different color. I ain't nothing wrong with that. I love that uniform. You say gym and peace. Same thing with all of them. It's very thin, but it will get the work done. It will get the work done. I can't wait to try them on and make you guys see. All right. What else? Oh my gosh, enough things we'll get. Oh, some black leggings, because why not? You can never have too much black leggings. This feels snug. It feels better than my last black leggings than what they get from Shein. Nice, nice. All right. A few more. Oh, black top. I like this. I love what this is giving. Oh my god, yes. So in a zip down all the way. But I love what this. Can't wait. Hopefully them look good for me too, because you know it's one thing. And if I haven't been saying, I want to say I got all of these in a small. Yeah, I got all these items in a small, so them can snug and tight. I was a medium for the longest, you know, and then I lose a little weight, and now I'm a small. Because even in my workout pants and something there, I was a medium. I am most of my workout pants medium. Now I'm a small. Ooh, yes. I am feeling this. Yes. Hopefully. Oh, I'm gonna wait until I try them on. Yes, yes, goody. This shout out to you, Shein. Shout out to you. Except for the one shirt where you send me what obviously somebody wear already. Oh no, they do a good job on this. Alright, last item. Oh, another pants. Oh, this feels thin and nice. Yes, this feel nice. Yes, this is some good quality. Alright, y'all. Let me go try them on. All right, y'all. So at first I was holding the mic to talk, and then I was like, goody, just do a voiceover. So we're going to do a voiceover. The first two clips are the hoodie that I was showing y'all, thick and nice and comfy. I like them. Recommend. Then the first zip up top, y'all. When I tell you, I got all of these in a small, and they fit like a small. They're snug tight. Like, I can gain not 1/2 or more pound on them top here, but that's why I like him. I like them tight and thick, and you know, firm up and nice, and you know, I'm feeling it. I like the material. It's thin but not too thin, so I can still wear these even in the spring and summertime. And I love when it have this like a hand thing. It's just me, I love when it have the hand thing. Now this one never have the hand thing, and a few now have the hand thing, but that's fine. This is the other one. I'm gonna tell you, say all of these were under $10, y'all. I am loving the quality of them. Them thin, but them not have that cheap feel material. I am loving all of these tops. This is exactly what I wanted to look cute for my workout day. Now this top is not a zip up one, so I did have to push it over my head, and as I said, them tight, so it was a little bit of a struggle, you know, for my ladies who have the arm fat. You know how we have to like struggle, and then we have to spin the sleeve around. If you know, you know. So this one was a little bit of a struggle, but once I got it on, I like how it fit. Like them tight, but them not feel like semi suffer. As I said, I usually go for medium, and I went for a small, and look how them fit me. So use your discretion if you're going to get them. I know, say, okay, you can possibly get away with going with a size down, but it depends on how you want to feel, your comfort level. Clearly, I'm feeling myself with this one. I know when I do the shadow box. You ever see them man there in the gym? Every gym have one of them man there. But yes, I did definitely like this. I like the feel of it. I like the material. Another zip up one. This have a little different kind of material. This have the more I don't remember what them call it, but you know them juki material, the way you have the line through it. And of course it have the hand thing, one I love. I did like that. This one I would say was my favorite one because based on the thickness of the material and just how snug it felt. And I also did change the pants to show you guys the different pants that I got with them. I like these pants because it not itch up in your body. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know them pants that will itch up in your body and it just won't give that like illusion of you have a big butt, but I don't want to draw no unnecessary attention to me at the gym, so I prefer the one that don't itch up in my body. This one never itch up in my body either, so I am loving it, loving the material, loving the feel, just loving all of this. And I wanted to show you guys the top what it have the makeup on it. I am going to either try to get my money back and wash it or return it, so I'll reach out to Shein. But that is it, y'all. I'm feeling it. Okay, my fitness family, that's that for me trying on clothes. I got all of these for around $104 when you add up the tax. So shout out to Shein. You can find good quality. These are good quality clothes for cheap, right? Anybody who want to buy the same top what me get for how much money this is, probably $5, $6, or $8. If you don't want to buy for $150, that is on you, ma'am. That is on you. But if you guys enjoy this content, don't forget to hit the like button. And to help me grow my channel, if you want to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is your girl Chantel, and you know we do all things fitness over here. We try to live a fit and healthy lifestyle. I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, I'm gonna big up on yourself and take care.
Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Mueve la colita, look, yeah. Look at this body that I got.